Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to fix your 3D printer. Heat bed is burned out, so as you can see, cables are a little burn mark right there. See that? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to fix that. So what you're gonna do is from the heat bed, you gotta take these screws out. Over here, all these gotta come out, and then I'll be able to work on the heat bed. Alright, now the screws are out. You can see, took the screws out. Just gotta make sure you don't lose your screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. Look at that. Well, that's burned out. You can see. So one of those causes could be that the wire is too small and not enough power is going in. But for now, I don't have the wire. I might need to order a new one. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut these wires and solder them right here and see how it works from there. Alright, so here you go. I went ahead and cut the wires and soldered them in there. Now I'm gonna put it back together and we'll see if it works. Alright, so one more thing I forgot to mention was this right here. I put it right back just so wires won't be exposed. And I took all the extra cables out, clean it up. Alright, so I went ahead and reinstalled the heat bed. Now we got the screws in. So what I usually do, I go ahead and turn it on, and when it starts printing, I bring the heat bed all the way down and then kind of adjust it close to the extruder, and then after it starts printing, I kind of adjust it while it's printing, lightly rubbing. That's my calibration. And then let's see if it turns on. Just see a red light on the bottom of the heat bed. It should come right on. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, light came on. So we're back in business. All right. Well, thank you for watching.